Hey, it's ItsJish and welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your audio go from sounding like this is what audio sounds like without the compressor technique, to sounding like this. And this is what the audio sounds like with the compressor effect. So without further ado, let's get into this. So the first thing we have to do is come over, download a program called Audacity. It's a free audio editing and audio recording software. So if we just search Audacity, click on audacityteam.org, come over to the download tab and choose your operating system, either Windows, Mac or Linux. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to click that one. So once you're on the download page, you want to click Audacity 2.2.2 or whatever the number says, the installer. Then come over here and click this one, the top one for the installer. And that will download, but I don't have to install it because I've already got it onto my computer. So once it's installed, you've got to come open it up, go through this, and you're here. So what you're going to do is select your microphone, then record some audio. Hey guys, this is ItsJish here, and this is some example audio. So the effect we're going to be using is the compressor effect. So say you've recorded your audio for either a YouTube video or a podcast or something similar. Just come here, select it all, come over to the effects tab, click compressor, but first we're going to make the audio sound really good by using the noise reduction technique. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, I have made a tutorial on how to remove background noise from your audio, and that is on my channel. It will be linked below as well. But yeah, just highlight a bit of empty audio where it's not like all clustered together, and just highlight it, come over to the effects tab, click noise reduction, then click noise profile here. Then you want to go either highlight it all or press Ctrl A. Then you come back to the effects tab, click it, come back down to noise reduction and click it once again. Then you click OK to apply the noise reduction. As you can see, this stuff is mainly gone. So once you've done that, you select everything by pressing Ctrl A or highlighting it all. Then come back to the effects tab, click compressor, and you can mess around with this. I'm pretty sure defaultly it's on -20. I like to have mine at -15. And yeah, just mess around with this however you find it. If you just press OK and you think it's too loud, just press Ctrl Z or Ctrl Z for you Americans. And come back to the compressor, maybe move it down a bit, press it again, Ctrl Z, and just get it how you would like it. Now I've got it how I'd like it, I just press OK. And as you see, the audio has become louder. Basically what this compression thing is, it basically makes your audio louder without you losing quality or making it sound buzzy or just making it sound worse than it should be. So to get rid of this background noise, we once again need to highlight it, click effect, come down, click noise reduction, click get noise profile. Then you want to select every piece of audio, come back to the effects tab, click noise reduction once again, and click OK. As you can see, this background noise is gone, so let us listen to this. Hey guys, this is ItsJish here, and this is some example audio. This sounds a bit stupid. Let's see how it is now without the noise reduction. Hey guys, this is ItsJish. Since we compressed it, it may sound a bit echoey, but that's because if you do the noise reduction too many times, it doesn't work out too well. See, like if I just click OK, and a quick way to put the last effect you did on is to press Ctrl R. So if I press Ctrl R again, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again, sounds really weird. So this is normal, guys. Don't worry if your audio sounds a tiny bit echoey. No one will notice in your YouTube videos or anything. So if we click play. Hey guys, this is ItsJish here, and this is some example audio. So see, that sounds pretty cool, but that is not how we want to work this audio. That's not how we want the audio to work. So let's go again, record audio. I'll go through the whole process with you quite quickly now. Press record, get your audio, bar. This works really well if you're just doing quiet audio. So if we just delete that loud audio, highlight the background noise. We're not going to highlight the background noise this time. Go straight to Effect, Compressor, click OK, and highlight background noise, noise reduction, get noise profile, Control A, Control R, and we should be good. Go back to our output. This works really well if you're just... As you can see, that doesn't sound too good, so if we put noise reduction on again, nope. Put noise reduction on again, we play
This
it.
works really well if you're just doing quiet audio.
That is pretty much how your audio should sound now, and that's the end of this tutorial. I'm sorry, my videos are mainly being tutorials. I would do some tech reviews and that, but I don't really have a lot of tech to review, if I'm honest. Yeah, I'm also in the middle of the exam season. It will end at the end of May, start of July, around the 10th. And yeah, then videos will be back to normal, and I'm also thinking about doing some more gameplay and stuff. But I do stream on Twitch and post a bit on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure you check them out down in the description below. But yeah, make sure to subscribe if you're new, if you haven't already, and tell me in the comments what I can do to improve the videos. Make sure to like, and I'll see you in the next one.